have, ladies and gentlemen, the third prize winner, Nisha. We shall move right now to the second prize winner, Tamsi Singh. The second prize winner, Tamsi Singh. She completed the marathon in 1 hour, 14 minutes, 12 seconds. 1 hour, 14 minutes, 12 seconds. And a very close call for the cross time. At 1 hour, 14 minutes and 4 seconds, we have the first prize winner, Ankita Ben Gavitt. Ankita Ben Gavitt. A very big round of applause. And now we are looking at taking a picture with all these winners with the Honorable Chief Guest. Before we move on to the 21K Elite Men's category. And right now we call upon the winners in the men's category, 21K Elite. We have Jom Singh Star Ramseyed, Jom Singh Star Ramseyed, K. Bikram Meite, Monas Bongrum, Monas Bongrum, and then Nate Ben Wangnao. And then we have Prince Raj Yadav. Then we have Nixon Coach Kosgei. And also we have Cosmas Kipkorir Diwat. And also we have Cosmas Kipkorir Diwat. I hope I got the names right.
Like this, speculation, no? Okay, like
And now for the third prize, ladies and gentlemen, we have Kailash Chaudhary. Third prize, Kailash Chaudhary with a record gross time of 1 hour, 5 minutes exactly. 1 hour, 5 minutes exactly. And then second place, we have Lovepreet Singh. Lovepreet Singh with a gross time of 1 hour, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. And then finally, the first prize winner, Akshay Kumar, with gross time of 1 hour, 3 seconds exactly on the dot. Here we have the three winners of the 21K men category, third Sohra International Half Marathon winners.